Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the motion sickness feature on your iPhone 16 Pro Max or any iPhone on the latest iOS version. So let's get started. Now this is a feature that's available once you go into your setting and then you go to accessibility. From there on, under the vision section, there's a motion setting, and then right up here it's going to allow you to turn on this feature known as show vehicle motion cues, which if you click on it, it's going to be either automatic or on. If you want this on, it will display these dots which are supposed to help with motion sickness whenever you're on a vehicle and motion is detected, so that it helps you go ahead and focus on it and not get motion sickness. You can have it either turned on all the time if you are feeling motion sickness all the time, or you can have it automatic, which it will detect when your car is moving. It will automatically put those dots on your iPhone so that if you're looking at the screen, you do not get any motion sickness. And of course, to turn it off, you can either turn it off just like that and remove them, or if you set up automatic and the car is not moving or the vehicle is stopped, right, it will remove those dots as well. So either of these will allow it, and this one will always keep it on. So that's how you turn on the motion sickness feature on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.